Hi everyone, back here for another video. I posted last time a short version showing my setup on how I make my YouTube videos. Today, let me explain a bit and give more context on the setup. Also, thanks to the comments in my other videos that gave me this idea to make this video. So feel free to comment below if you like this type of video or what video you would like to see in the future, and I will do my best to do it. So, on to my setup. First, I place my iPad Pro on this stand. This is the MagFlot stand by Charging Pro. I chose to use this stand as it's easy to attach the iPad after I take it out of the Magic Keyboard. Having the iPad on a better viewing angle makes it easy for me to do long sessions of video editing. And yes, editing the videos is the longest and tedious part of having a YouTube channel. Next, I'm using here the Newfie Air 75 keyboard. This is a low-profile mechanical keyboard with a 75% layout. This is compatible with Mac or iOS and also with Windows. I can pair this with 3 devices by Bluetooth, or it can also be connected via the included USB dongle, or even by the USB-C cable. I will make a dedicated video review on the Newfie Air 75, so stay tuned for that. For the mouse, I'm using the most compatible one with the iPad, which is the Magic Mouse. Using this helps me edit better as scrolling through the timeline is very smooth. By the way, if you're liking my videos and you would like to show your support, feel free to click on the thanks button. I would really appreciate it. When I plan my YouTube videos, I use Notion app to list down and dump my ideas, plan and schedule, and write my scripts. Writing the script makes me organized when it's time to shoot the videos, so to make sure I don't waste time shooting videos that I will end up not using. So once I have the script done, I start shooting the videos, and my main camera is my iPhone 12. I sometimes use my iPad for some second angle shots, or this very old Canon T3 camera, which is not really a good camera, but I'm just trying to maximize and use what I already have in hand. To get started in editing, I prepare the rest of the setup. Recently, I'm trying this very unconventional way of using my monitor bar light so I can see better when editing. Having a bright area to edit is just so easy for my very bad eyes. Just a warning, please do this at your own risk, as this monitor light bar is obviously not really built to be used with the iPad. Next, after taking all the shots, I easily transfer the videos from my iPhone to my iPad by using AirDrop. This is the main reason why I prefer using my iPhone to shoot all the videos, as it is just convenient to move files to my iPad. For the shots I took from my old Canon camera, I transfer it by plugging in the SD card to the USB-C adapter. I only shoot B-rolls with this, so usually these shots are really short videos and transfer speed is not so bad. Otherwise, for longer videos like 5 to 10 minutes long, that can really take longer to transfer to my iPad. I use LumaFusion to edit my videos, and though I can use the videos directly from the SD card by getting it from the link folders, I prefer to import and save the videos I shoot from my Canon T3 to my iPad. This is because when I take breaks and I turn off the iPad's display for some minutes, the connection to the SD card is interrupted, then I lose those videos in my edit. Although I think it comes back after a few minutes, but I just don't want to risk wasting my time editing and redoing it, so I import the videos instead. Anyway, continuing along with the video editing, I do the voiceovers using the Mayono AU903 cardioid condenser mic. I plug this in the adapter as this has the USB-A to USB-C cable, and it will only work if the iPad is charging. So that's basically how my YouTube setup looks like and how I make these YouTube videos. My setup is simple and not as glamorous as the others. I make simple videos and simple setup works for me. And that's it. Thanks for watching.